Good morning, good morning. Today we are doing 77k, about 800 meters climbing, and we're going from Truckee to South Lake Tahoe. And this is actually the first break because I had a puncture first thing. Yeah, it was pretty chilly. Everyone is rugged up, arm warmers, hats, shoe covers, but it is stunning. It is so pretty. Like, look at these trees. And this is not really even doing it justice because we've just come down like this beautiful little bike path, as you've seen, but it is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It's beautiful but cold, eh?
Beautiful but cold, babe. I'm telling you. I'm freezing. Yeah, look. Cold, fingers.
Oh my God! Why are they so cold?
Reynards, I think they call it.
Is that what it is? Someone's... I
punched the life out of them. I punched the life out of them back in the old days. And so,
all that boxing.
Yeah. Back in the old days.
Oh no! Well, keep the gloves on. Do you want mine? Have you got how many pairs of gloves?
Put
You got a few
these
pairs.
on there, so I'm just getting a bit warmer now.
But let's talk about the views.
The views are spectacular.
Bloody spectacular.
I've never seen nothing like it, but what it is I can't take my camera out because my hands are so cold.
I couldn't film much.
I'm not going to do nothing. I thought I'm going to leave it.
Don't worry,
today.
I will do the filming.
Do the filming,
You can just
baby.
look back on mine.
I will do.
And enjoy it, right?
Watch them
Warm
bears,
hands.
boy. Watch them bears, boy.
Is that actually bear? Someone said there was a bear last night.
I didn't see any.
You got it out, that's what it was.
Because of the bear?
Oh, is that what it was then?
Yeah, they said they couldn't get out of the car because there's a bear in the parking lot. Not sure.
At the restaurant?
At the restaurant, that's what they were saying.
Gonna keep me warm.
Nice, come on, show us this bike.
Show us your bike.
Show us your bike, boy.
Show us your bike, Nige. Show us your bike.
Look at this monster.
It's a shame he can't ride like a monster.
Look at this. It is stunning. Not the cones, but I got down there. It's so beautiful. Right, had a little stop off because like, look at this place. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at it. This is just so, look at the colour of the water. This is amazing. This trip already is like a 10. Beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous. Typical Virgin Adventurers view. Nothing but beautiful. Absolutely indescribable.
It is. You can't even.
Yeah.
Not talking about me.
Well, yes.
Talking about
Enough of you. What about the lake? This is why we do this.
It is, isn't it? Like, worth all of it.
Yeah.
Tim, I wish you were here, buddy. I'm appreciating this just for you, Tim, because I really wish. Well, I want to sit on this, but I'm worried that I might tumble in. Can you imagine? That would not be fun. Hey, Greg, nice to meet you. How are you? Katie.
Katie.
Lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
It's a pretty nice view.
Not bad.
It's pretty spectacular.
Pretty good. As far as bike rides go, this is stunning. And it's fairly nice. That bike route.
Isn't that great? It was a little
Beautiful.
bumpy, but it was
It's
good.
fun though. It's fun little
It is.
bumps, but it's like you just got to avoid pine cones.
So
The
many
only
pine
danger
cones,
is a pine
yeah.
cone. It's a pretty good ride.
Hi, Steve Bull.
Steve.
I'm the one that doesn't know how to operate a GoPro.
So how do you do a time lapse? You put it there. You couldn't leave it still.
Oh, I've turned it off now.
Oh, come on. That was gonna
I'm
be
bored
brilliant.
of it. I'm really bored. I'm too impatient.
So we've just done a few kilometres climb, and then the descent was down there, and then round this corner, and then look at this view. Like, have you ever seen anything so incredible in your whole life? I think that is one of the nicest views I have ever seen. Like, look at that little island in the middle. I just feel so grateful and thankful and just in awe of this. But this is why we ride bikes. This is why we love riding our bikes. Look at it, look at it! Like, that is one of my top 3 views I've ever seen. And now we've got another kilometre up this way, and then I think we're about 60k, and we've probably like 20k left. So not too far, not too shabby, but it's got so hot. So this morning it was so cold, it was like 0, maybe -1. And it's probably, I don't know, but I've got like a thick, fleecy base layer and another fleecy one on the top. So I'm going to be stripping off at the next stop, I think. Ah, so beautiful. How amazing! I was like, it's one of my top 3 views.
That's just
on the islands.
I know. I was like, maybe we could just go on this.
So good.
I think that is one of my.
I don't know what it's. Why it was built.
Scottish lairds once lived on it.
We'll have to look up the Wikipedia entry or something.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Are we looking at a postcard or is this real?
So we have arrived at our destination, and oh my days, it is beautiful. Look at all the trees. It is so picturesque. I can't even speak. It is like, I can't even describe it. Like, you can see it. You've seen it today. It's like how beautiful it is. So we're going to be staying here. We're going to have a walk to the lake shortly as well. I'll take you along. I'm just going to see what that's like. And yeah, I am so grateful, so blessed that we're able just to come and ride this, because there were so many bike lanes as well. It's incredible. So if you are ever near South Lake Tahoe, then you need to come and check it out, because there are so many good bike lanes, so many beautiful places. So it's actually like a ski resort, but there's also a beach, so it's best of all worlds. So I've come to the beach. It is so nice. It is still a bit chilly though, hence the jumper, not a bikini. But some of the guys have actually just been in the water and they said it was alright, but I don't think I'm going to be risking it. We're just checking the water now.
How cold? A little bit cold, but not actually freezing.
You need to lose a puffer jacket first.
I feel like I should just go in like this.
I'll put my feet in.
I'm going to put my feet. Oh, I've only got these shoes though.
Too bad! Oh, that's really cold. It's really cold.
Cold enough, I'm coming in. Shit! Okay, that.
It's really cold. Oh no, that's too cold.